Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make two text boxes same size using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor and click on this home option, this menu bar, and select here edit option. And I'll make this text box and this text box same size. And first one text box, click here and select format option. This text box height and this is wide. I'll make it 150 and this one I'll make 750 and this one select here, put the mouse cursor here and make it 150 and 750 and press enter and see this two text boxes height and width now same. Also I'll align and this is sorry and see this same height and width now adjusted. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.